Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. In one fell swoop, Royal Enfield has doubled its lineup of 650s. With the introduction of the 2023 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 and the Tour version. Both use the air oil-cooled motor that debuted on the Continental GT and INT 650 naked sport bikes in 2018. Though the Super Meteor gets new engine covers. The pair are cruiser-inspired, with the new chassis designed with Royal Enfield subsidiary Harris Performance in Hertford, England. The Super Meteor 650 is distinguished by a 16-19-inch wheel combination, with locally sourced Ceat Zoom Cruz tires mounted. A non-adjustable inverted fork has a generous 4.7 inches of travel, while the twin dual shocks are Spring-preload adjustable and allow the rear wheel to move 4 inches. By Brembo, a subsidiary of Brembo, takes care of the braking, with 2-channel ABS standard. Modern technology includes LED headlights and a turn-by-turn navigation system. The speedometer is in a round housing and analog style, with an LCD dash inset. The foot pegs are forward-mounted in line with the front bolt-on frame down tube. The Tourer model adds a windshield and passenger backrest to the mix. The bags, highway bars, and skid plate you see on the accessorized version can be added to either Super Meteor model. We have always had a differentiated approach to building motorcycles, and our new cruiser, the Super Meteor 650, is the next evolution of this approach. Eicher Motors Managing Director Siddhartha Lal said at the International Motorcycle and Accessories Exhibition 2022 debut of the Super Meteor 650s. Inspired by our own long-distance riding experiences and those of our customers, we have built the Super Meteor to be absolutely enjoyable to all senses. The engine is super refined and responsive and offers relaxed part throttle experience at highway plus speeds. The riding ergonomics are fine-tuned to offer a leisurely yet in-control riding experience. And the overall premium fit and finish of parts and materials evoke visual and sensory delight. The gorgeous silhouette and contours of the Super Meteor have been inspired by generations of cruisers from Royal Enfield and are at the same time familiar yet absolutely distinct. The 2023 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 lineup will be on showroom floors of the company's 150 American dealers no sooner than summer 2023. So there is a possibility this will end up being a 2024 model in the US. There are 5 colorways for the standard model, and the touring version comes in 2 colors. No prices have been announced. What do you think about the new Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.